Vanakkam. Uh, the third and the last part of legal framework of mutual fund or the fund structure and constituents is organization of AMC. The other management authority or other management people directly relevant with here the investors are is going to be discussed over here. The first person in the organization of AMC is Chief Investment Officer. Is the one responsible for making a decision on where to invest, how much he is going to invest. He is also responsible for overall investment of the fund. He was assisted by fund manager because fund manager is going to be executive number of chief investment officer, and fund manager is a mandatory as per SEBI regulation. Every scheme requires a fund manager. There should not be the one fund manager for the entire company or one manager for that AMC. Each and every scheme should have the fund manager. Through them, the same fund manager may manage the multiple schemes. And move on to the next one. Security analyst is a person responsible for research inputs given to fund managers based on the recommendation given by security analyzer. Fund manager is going to be recommend the fund with chief investment officer. Next, security dealers. These persons are helping putting the transaction through in the market. It's like a distributor as well as in the other dealer. Move on to next one. Chief marketing officer is responsible for mobilizing money under various schemes. It also he is associated with the direct sales team, channel managers, and advertising and the sales promotion team to make it the scheme sales successful. And move to the next one. Chief operations officer is responsible for handle all operational issues. Start with here that AMC's activity, that means registering, rolling of issues, and the collection of banks and all other whatever the activities relevant to the company, that is he is going to be take care of that one. Next one, compliance officer. He is the responsible person for receiving a complaint, if at all any, with from the customer, that means investor, and resolve it. Though he is at the end of the association, that mean organization, and also directly related with the people, and it's in a grievance mechanism. He is always working with the AMC, and sometimes is directly related with or having the discussion with trustees to put them in the present condition as well as resolve the most critical issues and all. So in this slide we are all discussing and understand the chief investment officer, fund manager, securities analyst, securities dealers, chief marketing officer, chief operation officer, and compliance officers. Nandri.